welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, magro-room tour tayo. And now guys, come and join. So, knock the door. So, charan! So, ito po. So, this is our bed. Ayan guys. And as you can see, maraming flamingo because I love flamingos. Ayan. And ito pa yung side table na wide window which we like most. Ayan po. So, maganda kasi in the morning, may upo. Ayun. Hindi makikita si Burj Khalifa kasi parang dusty ngayon. So, bell pepper. Ayan, maliliit pa sila. And, yung tomatoes na matutuyo siya. So, hi! So, ito pa yung tsaka may ano pa yan guys. May tag pa yan. Price tag. Ayan. So, dala-dala ko yan from Bahrain. Paris to Bahrain and Bahrain to Dubai. Candles ko. Scented candles. Lavender. Paborito ko yan na scent. At saka yung cactus from Blossom from Bath and Body Works. And nandun po yung picture ko with Princess Aurora from Disneyland, Paris. At saka yan yung picture namin. And andyan po lahat ng gamit ko. Yung mga brushes ko para sa makeups. And some chocolates. And shout out to Andy Guzman. So, yung mga colognes ko, mga collections. So, ayan. Mga vitamins ko. Guys, pinili namin to. Kasi matahimik dito. Peaceful, malinis, and malawak yung kitchen. So, as a OFW guys, as a nurse, so, we're dealing a life na we have to be alert all the time kasi life yung hinahawakan namin. So, kailangan ko talagang matulog guys. Hindi naman masyado na napaka-peaceful, pero very important na makatulog kami ng enough time kasi usually night shift ako always. So, after shift ko, kakain ako ng breakfast and then matutulog na. And ito pa yung mga favorite kong ihahag pag tutulog. Ito po yung si banana, ito po yung si watermelon, hindi ito mawawala. And as you can see, favorite ko si flamingo. Ayan. So, kompleto yan guys. Kung flamingo. Ayan, flamingo. Ayan. It for our videos for today guys. And please do comment down below any suggestions kung anong gusto nyong ipa-vlog sa akin. And I was thinking next vlog ko yung kitchen tour namin as I love to bake cakes and I love to cook. So, ayan po guys. So, please do subscribe and please like and comment down below and do share and hit bell notification for more updated videos ko po guys. And thank you po sa lahat ng subscribers ko na for always watching my vlogs, my videos, and you're always there. Nagpapasalamat ako sa kay God kasi sa araw-araw na hindi tayo pinapabayaan for all the blessings. And that's it for today's vlog guys, and thank you and stay safe kasi we're still in pandemic, so stay safe and God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye.